If you want to remove or reduce the background in LibreOffice Draw, this video will walk you through the quickest way to do it. Now, just so you know, LibreOffice Draw does not fully remove image backgrounds like a dedicated background removal tool would, but you can still make the background less visible by using transparency. That makes this method really useful for simple edits, presentations, and fast visual cleanup. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center opens, look at the left side under Create and click Draw Drawing. This opens LibreOffice Draw, which is the workspace we need for editing images. Once Draw is open, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Image. Now browse your computer and select the image you want to work on, then click Open to place it into the document. After the image appears on the page, click once on the image to make sure it is selected. You should see selection handles around it, which tells you that LibreOffice is ready for editing. Next, right-click directly on the image and choose Properties. This opens the Image Settings panel, where you can change different options for how the image looks. Inside the Properties window, go to the Image tab. This is where the transparency controls are located. Look for the transparency setting, then adjust the slider or value to reduce the visibility of the background. As you increase transparency, the image will become lighter, which can help the background blend in better with the page or with other elements in your design. Take your time adjusting it until it looks the way you want. If the image has a light or plain background, this method can make it look much cleaner. If you are placing the image over text, shapes, or another colored background, transparency can help the image fit more naturally into your layout. Just remember, this is not the same as completely deleting the background. It is more of a visual reduction technique. So the final result depends on the image you start with. If you need even better results, you can combine this with other editing options in LibreOffice Draw, such as cropping or resizing the image after adjusting the transparency. That can help you focus attention on the main subject and make the background less noticeable overall. Once you are happy with the look, you can save your work normally so the changes are preserved. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to reduce a background in LibreOffice Draw using the transparency settings. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.